Hi, and welcome back. I wanted to give you a quick update of the items that I've bought over the last month or so from a thrift store. So let's take a little look around and see what we've got. Okay, right here is that little horse that I picked up when I was in San Diego. I've got him right here in the kitchen. And this piece right here, I picked up, I think it was Hobby Lobby last Easter. And the cookie jar is from Home Goods. The lamp is from At Home. And the little wooden stand, I believe, is from Home Goods as well. Now over here, I picked up this little spoon rest. It has a bunny on it. And pink is my favorite color. I know it doesn't match anything, but there is a coffee mug that matches this. I picked this up in San Diego as well, and that was at Home Goods. This is Home Goods. This is Target. This, I don't know where I got it from. I think it's from my family. I inherited it, but I'm not sure. I think it was maybe my mom and dad's. These wooden eggs, they're so nice and they're very substantial. I got these from Pier 1 Imports. And then this little crate, I believe I got it from the Dollar General. And here is one of the pieces that I picked up from the Salvation Army in my area. And then my canister for my utensils. This is from Home Goods. I didn't know what to do in this area, so for now I put this little placemat that I had gotten at Hobby Lobby down here. My canisters are from Home Goods, and this wood cutting board is the one that I picked up from one of the Goodwills. It's the Pampered Chef one that's valued at $74.50, and I got it for $4.49. And this little bowl, I used to be an at-home representative, and this little bowl I got from At Home. It was one of the samples that the sales reps got. So that's this little area right here. Now right here is that bowl that I had picked up at in San Diego at the Chula Vista Goodwill. And those eggs are part of that Pier 1 Imports eggs. And here is the little vase that I also picked up at Chula Vista. Now again, this is not how it's going to stay set up. I just had this tray. It was black and I had spray painted it cream color last year. I don't really like the setup like this. I'm looking for a round wooden board, so I'll be picking one of those up shortly. Okay, on here, this basket I had gotten, I think from Hobby Lobby last year. These eggs and carrots I got from Hobby Lobby. This was one of my, I think this was, I can't remember, was it Goodwill set or Salvation Army? I think Goodwill. So I picked that up, and then the canister I had, little bunny. Here is a chicken I picked up from the Target dollar spot last year, and I bought this tray last night. As you could see, I still have the tag on it. I bought it last night from Hobby Lobby, and here is another one of the prints that I had picked up in my Goodwill haul. And this basket, this glorious Longaberger basket, was a gift from a friend of mine. And I'm so excited to have it filled with eggs and carrots and this little bunny that, again, I got that also from, I believe, the Dollar Tree, Target Dollar Spot last year. Okay, now over here is my hutch. And right here, this is something, I think it's a planter that I got that I had received as a gift. And I pulled out some of my old vintage cookbooks. This little guy I bought last year from Hobby Lobby. This was one of my thrifting hauls. And this also was one of my thrifting hauls. And this picture I picked up, see, I haven't even taken off the corners. This picture I picked up last night from Hobby Lobby. And those are flowers from my parents, sadly, from my parents' funerals. And this little dish, I'm not sure where I got. These are some of those eggs that I had picked up from Hobby Lobby last night. And I'm not sure how I want to decorate all of this, but this is it for now. This is my Longaberger basket. That's a Le Creuset vase that I had found thrifting. I think I only got it for a few dollars. And then this is from the Dollar General. This is my little platter, my cake platter that I had picked up on one of my thrifting things. And then this is a picture I picked up last night from Hobby Lobby. All of their wall decor or wall art are on sale. And then this wooden bowl I had, this little bunny I picked up from Hobby Lobby last night. And this beautiful little vase, actually it's a tall vase. They have different sizes of it. Picked it up on sale. It was on a clearance for $7 from Hobby Lobby. This little basket I picked up from, I think it was Home Goods. It was on sale for like $8. That little birdhouse was from Hobby Lobby. They still carry them, but I picked it up last year. And this little bunny rabbit and the grapevine carrot, I picked those up from Walmart in California. And this vase, I believe, is from Hobby Lobby, as well as the flowers. And this little wooden bunny, he's kind of tall. I picked him up from Hobby Lobby last night as well. They were all on sale for 40% off. Okay, so there you have it. That is everything that I had picked up. And I promised that I would show you when I put the items where I wanted to decorate them. I think they look cute. You know, I'm not a huge decorator. I do the best that I can, but anyway, I do enjoy them and everything seems to be coming together and I'm thrilled with that because decorating is so hard for me. So let me know what you think. If you have any suggestions, please put a comment in the, down below and let me know what you would do differently or what you would add because I am open to any suggestions. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. It would really help out my channel and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.